Okay, so you remember when I told you that we are going to use desk.com to build our clubhouse, which is the knowledge based area and the support area. Now we are not going to do that because it requires additional account, like a desk.com account, for you to utilize the whole thing, which is not good. So what I'm going to do is we're going to use the built-in WHMCS support module, but you will have the ability to sync all of the Club Coder knowledge base, like the knowledge base database, into your own WHMCS tables. So it'll be completely brandless and it'll be under your own brand. So I'll give you a tool to automatically sync up all your knowledge base tables into all our knowledge base tables into yours. It won't remove your own knowledge base, but it will keep adding the ones that's recently been added by Club Coder into your tables, and I'll send out a notification email whenever a new article is added into your system. So that's pretty cool, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to change or rename this from Clubhouse to support, which is exactly what it is. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's set this up. To go to the support departments, you go to setup and then support and then support departments here. So once you're here, add a new department. I'm going to add a new department and call it answers, right? Answers and description, ask anything, we will answer it for you. Email address should be answers@clubcoder.com. answers@clubcoder.com. Assign admin users. I'm going to check this, which is our own admin account, and leave the rest blank. Clients only, no. Pipe replies only, no. No autoresponders. We want autoresponders. Hidden, no. So we're going to use piping method. So we're going to leave this blank. We're going to use piping method. Add new department. So that's done. So next we are going to pipe the whole thing here and add this to our cPanel. So I'm going to log into my cPanel for clubcoder.com and log in here and go to email forwarders. That is where you set up a piping here, mail, and then forwarders. And here inside here, let's add a new forwarder. I'm going to add new one here and click the advanced options and pipe to a program. So I'm going to paste here. It's going to give this warning. Just scroll back to the left and remove that sign, which is not required by cPanel. So leave the rest intact. Okay. When piping to a program, you should enter a path relative to your home directory. If the script requires an interpreter, you should omit the user bin pro or user bin php portion. Make sure that your script is executable and has the appropriate hash bang at the top of the script. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to add forwarder here. Oh, this is not a valid. Oh, I haven't entered the email. Answers on the top. Add forwarder. All emails sent to answers@clubcoder.com will now be copied to pipe to this pipe email. So that's done. Now let's give it a try. So if we send an email to answers@clubcoder.com, it should show up here on our support tickets, right? If I click here, we don't have any tickets right now, but if we send an email here, we should have one. Okay, let's give that a try. Okay, I'm on my Yahoo account. I'm going to compose an email here to support, or not support, answers@clubcoder.com. Trying answers department 1, 2, 3. Department. Okay, send this out. So that is sent. Now if I go back to my WHMCS support ticket, we should see a ticket sometime soon here. So support, and maybe go to my auto refresh here, and 1 minute, set auto refresh. Oh, there we go. Trying answers department. Awesome. So now we see that the ticket system works perfectly. So I'm going to close my Yahoo here. We should also receive a notification, right? Trying answers department. Thank you for calling, for contacting our support team. So that works perfectly. You can also view the ticket here, and we have to log in, but I'm going to close this out for now. Okay, so when we click here, as you can see, this is still showing Clubhouse. So we want to change that to support. So let's change that now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a drop down just like this, and there is 3 submenus, which is open a ticket, list the existing support tickets, and go to the knowledge base area. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go back to my cPanel here and go back to the home. Go to my file manager and start editing the header of the menu. I'm gonna go to my templates, and then default, and then we're gonna go to header.tpl, this one, and edit the menu. So first I'm going to copy the menu for the domains and paste it here. Oh, you know what? We still have the old one. So I'm just going to uncomment this. Look at that. See, it's come in handy. And I'm just going to remove this whole thing here. We don't use the Clubhouse anymore. So we have the support ticket. Network status, we don't use network status. I'm just gonna comment that out. And downloadables, we don't use that too. So I'm just gonna comment this out until this part here. See? Now I'm gonna save the changes, and I'm gonna reload the page. Okay, so I'm logged in now. As you can see, we have support, tickets, knowledge base, but I want to add an additional one, which is to actually open a new ticket. Support, ask anything, so they can click here and put in a new support request. So request support, which is going here, knowledge base, which we have to fill out. Fill the categories and the articles and everything, and the existing tickets list, which is here. So my support tickets, this is we don't have to have this, so I'm gonna clear this out. Support tickets.php. So support tickets list, let's cut out the top part there, make it cleaner like the rest of the pages. Probably this part here. Delete that part, save changes. I'm gonna reload here. This is gonna be better. Aha, there we go. They can search it there, and it's gonna list all the support tickets for them. Support, request support, existing tickets, and knowledge base. So that's basically it. We have just set up the support department. Everything is working as we expected, and that's it. This is for the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please go ahead and set up your own support department right now.